Welcome to my YouTube channel. So your girl decided to try this trending shandy's Oros and sparkling water, and I must say I really love it. It tastes nice. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to make creamy chicken and mushroom recipe. It's very easy and straightforward. I hope you're going to enjoy this video, and thank you for watching my videos, guys. I really appreciate it. So yeah, continue watching until the end of the video. So bahlali, for the creamy sauce, you are going to need 2 tablespoons of flour and milk, right? And if you like rich food, you can even use a cream. So with me, I don't like rich kakhulu, so that's why I didn't go for a cream. I only went for a flour and milk. So this works best for me. But if you know when you like it as a rich, then you can use cream also. And you need to make sure your cream doesn't have lumps. So you need to mix this very well before adding your chicken. I repeat, you need to mix this very well before adding your chicken. And if you prefer using a fork, I think even a fork you can use it. Just make sure your cream it's mixed very well, doesn't have lumps, and you can continue adding a milk until you get the consistency you want. So yeah guys, just continue mixing. So guys, this is how our creamy chicken mushroom looks. Angifuni guys ukungasho kumnandi, kutaste kamnandi. Flavor like yonke into guys nje, it's just giving it tastes nice. So please do try this out, and if you did, come back and tell me. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.